There are big differences between science and pseudoscience, although sometimes pseudoscience is done so well that it's really difficult to differentiate from the real science. How do you recognize pseudoscience? Well, there are a number of easy ways to recognize it. One of them is that with pseudoscience there is no attempt usually to show any other side. There is a certain view, and that is the only view that is discussed. That should be a red flag. The second point that I would look at is the language that is used. Pseudoscience uses very different language from proper science, whereas proper science is very careful, uses words like might be or could be, whereas pseudoscience usually is very convincing. It's very confident and very definite conclusions. Also, there are a lot of exaggerations and a lot of emotional connections in pseudoscience. And another way to recognize pseudoscience is usually that's in the detail. And if that detail is really lacking about how these results were obtained or how the study was conducted, if that sort of detail is missing, it usually is pseudoscience and not so much science, where we would pay a lot of attention to how the data and how the conclusions were actually obtained.